Hey everyone, I made this video, 6 tips to keep you motivated, to stay motivated, and to smash those goals. It's been a lot. There is a lot going on right now in the world. There's a lot going on in my life personally, and I just wanted to make something positive. Listen to it, have an open mind, and I hope it can help you out. Before I start, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up and a like, and make sure you turn on that bell, girl, so you know when I make a new video. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I will be using these 3 shades down here: Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and Primavera. Okay, and that's going to give me the nice glowy eyelids. The first thing you need to do is, it's really obvious, but it's very hard, and if you can't do this step, then the rest of this video literally does not matter. Literally pause it after I say this. Number 1 thing is change your mindset. Look at the glass half full rather than half empty. Easier said than done. Sometimes we can be really pessimistic towards life and ourselves, and we don't even know it. Oh, complaining about this, complaining about that. And we need to take the time to be grateful and thankful for everything that we do have, despite what we're going through. Giving that thanks and still putting out that still putting out that positive energy to the world. If we cannot change our mindset, then we will never be motivated. So we have to change our mindset, and also it's kind of a 2-in-1. Change your mindset and change your routine. Okay, we have to be willing and open to starting something new, being open to learning something new in order to grow. Okay, you have to do something new. You have to think in a different way in order for the rest of these steps to grow. So number 1, change your mindset, change your routine. Okay, so I definitely carved out my lid with a base. You can use any base. Today I used the P. Lewis base in the shade Rumor 2. I'll link everything I used down below. And I just literally carved out both lids, and now I'm gonna go in and use this pretty shimmery shade to just go over it. So let's get into it. Step number 2, journaling. Okay, let's go back to step number 1. Change your mindset, change your routine. You might be like, Tiffany, girl, what are you talking about? I don't want to journal. I don't feel like doing that. Okay, I like to journal. There's tons of prompts that you can use on Pinterest. You can really get to know yourself, honey. Go look at those prompts. I'll actually link that down below as well, so you can see how you handle anger, how do you handle your anxiety, like what steps you can use to cope. You would just write about anything, like your frustrations. And it's better to go in a journal than for it to go on Twitter and Facebook, because a lot of us, I'm not gonna say y'all, I'm gonna say us as a whole, a lot of us put a lot of our personal business out on Twitter and Facebook, and I'm like, oh my gosh, honey, you need a journal. Okay, that I use down below. Also, besides a regular journal, I am a Christian woman. I don't go to church though. I watch church online, but I did grow up in church. I believe in a prayer journal. It's something about writing it down to me that brings it to life. Okay, I have a serious case of like undiagnosed ADD. I know y'all like, Tiffany, why are you saying that? But girl, literally while I'm praying, like I could literally just start thinking about something else, and then I'm like, oh my god, I was praying, I forgot, like I gotta go back to praying again. Like my mind can like drift off. So writing the desires of my heart, or what I'm needing and what I need from my God, and writing it in a prayer journal, I have seen like literally, I don't know, I just feel like my prayers come true faster. You can look back. Okay, so I just applied my eyeliner. I finished the lid, and I have on my lashes. This is from my collection, Lachelle Lashes. This is the style Shot Caller. And now I'm just applying my foundation. This is just Maybelline. I'm gonna do a light look because it's 93 degrees today, so I'm not gonna really do a full face. Step number 3, find a new hobby. Okay, find a new hobby. Find something that you want to do. But you're probably like, I don't know what I want to do. Well, you don't know what you really like until you try, right? And so this is my hobby, what I'm doing right now, painting my face. I love doing makeup. I have glitter on my face in case you guys may see that. I love doing makeup. it's like painting, but I'm painting my face, and then I get to show it off when I go somewhere and people like it and I like it and it feels good. And so that can be something you might want to do. Maybe you can get into makeup. Another hobby that I suggest that everyone does is, okay, don't hit me, work out. Okay, working out, like I said, going back from step one, change your mindset. You're probably like, girl, I don't like to work out. Change your mindset. Look, that's your mind. You're already telling yourself what you don't like to do. You can say, well, I tried, but you tried with that negative mindset. Did you ever try with a positive one? Working out is good for the soul. There's so many things to do. Side note, I do teach Zumba. I will put the link below if you would like to join me virtually, of course, because we are in quarantine? I don't even know. But I teach Zumba. It's just, I like to dance. It's just good for me. I like to break it down. Okay, some people like a HIIT workout. Some YouTube, where you're at right now, is so many workouts on here. Work out, do makeup, photography. You don't need an expensive camera. The iPhone, this iPhone, girl, I took some amazing photos on here, and I have a camera that I'm looking into right now, and what, girl, the iPhone is good. Going on a walk, I mean, just changing up that routine. Find out what you like in your journal. Look how I'm linking it all together. Find out what you like. Write about stuff that you want to try. Go on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I will keep saying that over and over and over again. Pinterest, different hobbies you can like discover that you might like. Crocheting, I don't know, people have so many different hobbies, but you know what's really good is if you find a hobby that you like and you can monetize off of it, because ladies and gentlemen, that is a job that you will never work for because it's something you like to do. If I can do people's makeup all day, I would be happy because I love makeup. Like I said, it's painting, but I'm just painting a face. Okay, find a hobby that you like to do that makes you happy, or that challenges you. Honestly, find something that you like to do. You don't know what you like to do until you try. That's all I'm gonna say. You're not gonna. So I'm noticing while I'm recording that it's time to give me a summer shade off camera. You're not supposed to do this, but even though I just blended in this shade 330, I had 355, so I just put some dabs of a darker foundation on my face. Today I'm not going to highlight because I just feel like I'm really walking on thin water with this shade before I look like a ghost. So I'm just gonna contour, and that should do it. But I'm not gonna highlight today because I'm gonna fix that. Girl, I don't want to be looking like boo. Okay, might look a little ghosty. Okay, I got a little dark just that quick, and it's only June. So step number 4. Sorry, it's hard to talk like this. Let's try that again. Step number 4, surround yourself with positive people. Okay, I like to make money. I'm always talking about making money. Girl, yesterday I filed for my LLC. Lachelle Lashes. This is the, I said shade. This is the style shot caller. I'm coming out with my own lash line. I'm so excited. Okay, I love talking to people, women, men, gender non-conforming, anyone. Okay, who loves to talk about money, new ideas. How can we help the community? I'm a teacher as well. I can't be around somebody that says, Tiffany, you work too much. You just do too much. Girl, you always doing something. Girl, don't make me feel bad because I want to hustle. I want to have multiple streams of income. I'm not going to do that just by being a teacher. We all know teaching doesn't pay the bills. And so I love to be around other women, other entrepreneurs, mentors. That's another thing. Make sure you have a mentor. You might say, Tiffany, I don't know anyone. I'm glad you said that. Bumble BFF, okay? It's to find friends. You can find friends on there. Remember, change your mindset. Try something new. Bumble BFF. It's another app. Shaper. I will link it below. But it's another app that's strictly professional. So you can meet people and you can form a mentorship. I'm grateful that I have a mentor at my job. And so I have that mentorships, kind of like a sisterhood that I have. I'm super grateful for it. She keeps me motivated. She checks me when I'm wrong. Okay, she lets me know maybe if I'm in a negative funk. It's great to have. Surround yourself with positive people. Maybe you need to see a therapist. It's not the worst. It's not bad, actually. It's actually very liberating. Maybe you need to see a therapist. You don't have any friends? Go on Bumble BFF. Okay, I think it's another app that has it where you can meet friends. Try something new. Go to brunches. Go to, I'm a woman, so I'm just saying things that I might go to women entrepreneur events. Even though we're kind of in this COVID quarantine, whatever mess this is, they have virtual ones where they have like conferences and stuff. Go to the gym. You can meet people at the gym. You can meet people in my Zumba class. Okay, surround yourself with positive people. If your friends are saying that you do too much, that if they're always saying something negative, if they're not cheering you on, girl, you might have to change your friends. Okay, I have to let a couple of my friends go too. It's okay. We're growing and we're learning, and that's a beautiful thing. So surround yourself with people who want to grow just like you too. Okay, step number 5, celebrate the small things. Well, what should I celebrate, Tiff? Well, I'm glad you asked. Every day, what I try to do, especially now since I've been this quarantine, stay at home thing, I'm getting my master's, I'm teaching from home, I'm trying to cook, I'm tired of being in the same place every day. I'm going crazy. Okay, so you know what I'm doing? I write down a little goal. Okay, Tiffany, make sure, it sounds really bad, but make sure you wash all your clothes today. Make sure that you paint your nails. You do something, because you know what, when you're in the same place that you're cooking, working, and studying in, it seems like the time just doesn't go anywhere. It seems like I'm stuck in space. Sometimes I'm not motivated. Oh, that powder got everywhere. That I'm not motivated. But if I write down a to-do list, not anything crazy, but maybe just a goal that I want to take care of before the end of the day. Tiffany, make sure you do all your laundry today. That's my goal. Tiffany, you know what? Work out today. That's my goal for today. Celebrate the small wins after you do that. All right, and so okay, so I popped on a red lip. Do you like this combination? This is from the Lip Bar. It's Black owned. You can get this lip from Target, Amazon. She has her own website. I'll link it down below. But I love this. This is Hot Mama, and I kind of mixed it with Boss Lady together. I'll definitely put that down below in the link. For the last and final tip, number 6, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but get off of social media. If you have an Apple iPhone, it has a great resource on it, and it's called Screen Time. And so I limit, and even Instagram has this inside the app, I limit my time that I spend on social media because I'm not being productive. I'm literally watching other people in their lives, and sometimes for mental health purposes, for me, that cannot be productive, and especially what's going on right now. I cannot see that all the time, and it can bring down my mood. Set a timer for how long you should be on social media, and there's so many other things to discover. There's so many how-to videos on YouTube. There's podcasts, there's Audible books, there's so many things you can get out there and discover to get motivated. And sometimes I feel like social media can be a drag. Facebook can be overwhelming. Auntie and all of them making statuses, people not using a journal and putting all of their life businesses online. Okay, I'm trying to say that in a nice way. I can't look at that every day. I will not be successful. Get off of social media. That is my last tip. I hope that you like this video. Please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.